Alright, so I've had a bit of time to play around with this printer now, and I'm quite enjoying the results that I've been getting from it. Very nice layer lines, super quick. I mean, it's pretty much plug and play. I haven't done anything, no tuning, nothing really. So, I'll show you some of the prints that I've been doing, and yeah. So I printed this F1 logo. Very happy with this. Layers turned out super nice. Just slotted right into place. No issues. And then I printed this Kansas Chiefs logo and did a couple color changes. This turned out really good. Did some ironing. Really turned out very nice. And I printed this tolerance gauge, which turned out really good. So 3.5 moves around super easy, almost like it's gonna fall out, and all the way down to 0.1. 0.1 moves, but it's quite tight. I'd say probably the best for this is 2.2. Yeah, 0.2 is probably good. And then I printed a calibration cube. A little bit of banding, but it is printing pretty quick, so not too concerned about that. This was with the Hyper PLA at 600 millimeters a second, and it's flawless. I stopped the print because it was looking really good. I'm gonna try to get that in focus. But yeah, 600 millimeters on that was really good. And then I printed this Dune vase in vase mode, and I don't know if it's coming across, but yeah, there we go. The overhangs aren't great, but it is vase mode, so not too worried about that. I barely use it, especially over here. This is really bad. There's like no filament there. You can see right through. Let's see. Yeah, you can see my hand right through it. But that'll work as a garbage bin. That's why I printed it. So those are some prints that I did on the K1C. Super good printer from what I can see right off the bat. Only time will tell, but I like it so far. So Builder Lab out, and have a great day.